front of me is VIVO Y19, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System Management. Following that, select Language and Input. Tap on Keyboard, and finally Theme. Now you can tap on Show More at the bottom right corners of all of those categories to see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time select this plus icon under my themes at the top. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!